Hello everyone. Today, Hot Ton will introduce the dish, braised pork with duck eggs, a traditional and familiar dish in Vietnamese family meals, especially during Tet. How to make ingredients: 600 grams of pork belly, 8 duck eggs, 600 milliliters of fresh coconut water, 4 shallots, 5 cloves of garlic. Seasoning: good fish sauce, sugar, salt, pepper, optional seasoning, cooking oil. Caramel color, caramel, 20 milliliters. Steps: wash the pork belly with diluted salt water, cut the meat into 4 cm square pieces. Peel and chop the shallots and garlic. Boil the duck eggs for about 10 minutes, peel. Put the meat in a large bowl and marinate with 1/2 of the minced onion and garlic, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of caramel color. Mix well and marinate for 20 minutes. Add a little cooking oil to the stainless steel pot. Sauté the remaining minced onion and garlic until fragrant. Add the marinated meat. Stir fry for about 3 minutes. Pour fresh coconut water into the pot of meat, so that the water covers the meat. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Remove the foam. Add the peeled duck eggs to braise together. Continue to braise for about 90 minutes. The braised meat is tender, the meat shrinks a bit, has a beautiful brown color, the braised water is light and rich. Presentation and enjoy: scoop the meat and eggs into a porcelain bowl, sprinkle some ground pepper on top. Enjoy hot with white rice, pickled cucumbers or pickled cabbage, it will be great. Things to note: choose meat, choose fresh, delicious pork belly with a balanced lean-fat ratio of 3 fat, 7 lean. You can use 2 buffalo horn chili peppers instead of caramel sauce. Using fresh coconut water is the secret to making the braised dish naturally sweet, fatty and more beautiful in color. You must braise it over low heat and for a long time so that the meat is tender, absorbs the spices and the fat melts away. The egg braised pork is a traditional dish, familiar in Vietnamese family meals, especially during Tet. This dish has a rich flavor, beautiful cockroach color. The pork belly is braised until soft, square, fatty, but not greasy, soaked in the coconut caramel/caramel sauce and spices, combined with rich duck eggs. This dish symbolizes reunion, warmth, often eaten with white rice, pickled cucumbers or pickled cabbage. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Goodbye and have a cozy and delicious meal. See you in the next delicious food sharing video.